We bought a van!
We bought a frickin' bus. Hi, I'm Adele and this is Rob and this is our van.
It's a 2006 LDV convoy. It's a minibus with a twin wheel rear axle, and hopefully it will be our tiny home soon. We said we'd just pop the seats out in a night because it just looked like they would undo. Yeah, 10 hours later we finally got all the seats out. We started off with like a socket set, one bolt that would like back off, but then it would get stuck. So I've got a breaker bar on them. The problem is where the nut's welded to the underneath of the chassis, when you get a breaker bar, you just snap the weld. So eventually I just resorted to ankle grinding everything.
All of the seats in the minibus are now out, which is very exciting. But we're not quite done with the flooring yet because they've left behind some like little metal holder things that also need to be ground off. So Rob's going to do that now.
So we need to get these little supports off, which were where all of the seat bolts used to go through, because like our insulation on our floor is only going to be probably an inch or less thick, and their best part, they're like a good 15mm proud off the floor, so they need to come out, and they're a pain to get out. Do you want to have a go?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Perfect.
So just a little update for you. We've been asked by the neighbours to stop because, I mean, that's not strictly true. We were grinding and a neighbour just came out and said that we were keeping the kids awake. So we're going to stop now. Can't really afford to annoy the neighbours. So Rob's just packing up now. And our new plan of action for tonight is one that excites me quite a lot. We've got the CAD drawings through. So we're going to sit and we're going to map out what our layout's going to look like.
Perfect.
And we've ground off all of the little hook holders, these little things, so they're all off. So now we've got, apart from the ridges that are actually in the floor, a flat floor. So now what we're doing is Rob is just brushing away all of the surface dirt and muck, and then we're going to get to rust treating. So we've been recommended this that we're going to use on the floors. It's grey, but we're not too worried about that because the floor is going to be covered with insulation and the flooring anyway. So we're going to have some grey patches.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more. You can find us on Instagram at robinadele. Head over to robinadele.com for weekly blogs and how-to guides throughout our build that we're going to make up as we go along. See you next time.